Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start the Neritic Shoal Event and Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, first you're going to go to Fanya and start the event. It costs 2k golds. Actually, you can join the event hosted by Fanya, but now it's not available, so I'm starting the event by myself. Okay, prepare your fishing tool and also fishing items such as mermaid fishing attractor, and don't forget to prepare your tool if it's already depleted. Once you're ready, just begin the event. Okay, all right, and now the event is being started, and I need to catch 6 fish to complete my personal goal. And from this event, guys, you will have a big chance to get the Call of Whales fish. I would like to recommend you to ask your friends to participate in the event so you can complete the team goals faster. And okay, guys, that's how you can start the Neritic Shoal event in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!